Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how Koho differs from a traditional bank account. Koho is a financial technology company, not a bank. It's often described as a spending and savings account combined with a prepaid MasterCard. Traditional banks are financial institutions that offer a full range of services, often with physical branches. One of the main differences is their business model. Traditional banks make a lot of their money from fees and loans. Koho, on the other hand, operates on a digital-first model with a focus on helping you manage your money. This allows Koho to offer features that traditional banks may not, such as cash back on everyday purchases and a high interest rate on your entire balance. Another key difference is the card itself. A Koho card is a reloadable, prepaid MasterCard. You can only spend the money you've loaded onto it, which can help you avoid debt. A traditional bank account typically comes with a debit card, which is tied to your checking account, or a credit card, which allows you to borrow money. Finally, think about the tools and services they offer. A traditional bank provides a wide range of services, including mortgages, investments, and in-person customer service at a branch. Koho focuses on a mobile-first experience with tools for budgeting, savings goals, and a feature for building credit. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.